Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deploy your Vue.js project or app in cPanel. Here you can see this is my Vue.js project. So just go inside your project and open CMD from here. Just click here in the address bar and type here CMD and hit enter. It will actually open command prompt for you. And here we are going to say that npm run build. Hit enter. And here you can see major version available and everything done here. Now if we remove it, here you will find a folder called dist. Here you can see the folder was not available here, but currently we got this folder. Now we have to zip this folder, so compress to zip file. And here we go, we have this zip file. Now we have to actually upload the folder, zip folder into our cPanel. So let's go to the cPanel. Here we go. Currently I can see I am in cPanel. So just go for the files section, and if you scroll a little bit down, you will get this. Here you can see files. Now here we have option file manager, right? Just click here in the file manager, and here if you scroll a little bit down in the left side, here you will find a folder called public_html. So this is the default folder when you open file manager. After that, here delete everything, or you can actually backup all those things. Just select all and delete everything from here, okay? Because we are going to upload fresh project, and from here we are going to now click on the upload, and it will actually take you to this page. Now what you have to do, you have to drag and drop the file, zip file. Here you can see I am dragging and drop it. Okay, so here you can see 100% done. Now let's go back to the previous folder, in the public_html folder. Here we have zip file. Now we have to extract it. Okay, so right click on it and extract it, and make sure you have root folder and you have no other folder here. Okay, so click here extract files, and here we go, we have everything here. Now we don't need this zip file, this is extra, so just delete this. Here we have, just go inside this folder and select all of them and move them into the root folder. So select all of them, click here move, and here you can see currently it is in dist folder. Just remove the dist folder and go back to the root folder, and here we'll click now move files. Now the directory is empty. If we go back, here you can see we just only have this dist folder and there is empty here, and now we don't need this folder, so let's just delete this. Here we go. Now everything we have, now we have index.html also. Now if we go directly to the unipixel, that is our domain name, and here you can see this is our project, right? So we got this project, and now if you need to change anything, you can actually edit it. Here we go. In the body we can say that hello. Here you can see we got hello here, right? Okay, so this is the project, and this is how actually you can upload your project in cPanel. Thank you so much for watching.